Hello and welcome to the next edition of Blogger Blog Templates video guides. And this is going to be a basic guide on your edit HTML, the things that you can do from there. Many people have requests for customizing their header image or generally changing the background color of their blog or the font size, things like that. Let's take a look at how it's done. Firstly, you need to get to your blog's edit HTML. So once you're in over here, I'm going to take a look at the CSS of your blog, the CSS style sheet. That is your blog style sheet, where you start off. It looks like this. I'm just going to zoom in a little to make this a little clearer. Alright, so you start off with your navbar. As you can see, the visibility is hidden, the display is none. The navbar is your when you sign up for Blogspot, you get this bar over here on top. That is the navbar. So it's disabled on most of the new sites because it just looks nicer that way. And your body, here you can see the body is the entire blog, where you have this. You can change your background color, the font color, font size, type of font. This is your link hover color, where you have a, as you know that a href is equal to, and your link. That's where you have your link color. You have like text decoration, it could be underlined and then your link is underlined. And this is the hover on effect. A hover on effect is something like this. When you put your mouse over the link, you can see the color change. So if you want your link, as here you can see the link color is changing. This is the initial link color and this is the secondary link color. H1, H2, H3 is your font header size. Block quote is, we'll get into this a little later. It's used all over the blog. Like a certain section of your blog will use H1, like the blog title will use a particular size, while your widget headings will use a particular size. Block quote is the, when you're in a post, you can add a block quote, which is a kind of highlight for your post. Okay, I'm just going to run through now. The wrapper is the outer cover. Here you can see width is equal to 1000 pixels. That's the width of your blog wrapper. And you can change all your stuff from here. Like here's your header. This defines the header section. The header section is the top part of your blog, where you have the blog name. Here's the blog name H1 font. So this is the properties of this font size. H1 link. There you go. The search is your search bar over here, and you can see the images. This is loaded on our Google Sites account or somebody else's Google Site account actually. So submit blog menu. This is your menu bar, that is your drop down and stuff like that. That's what it is. This is the drop down actually. This is the main top menu bar. Category menu and your date, single, clock. Here you go to your right column, the sidebar. If you want to make changes in your sidebar, the colors, things like that. The footer at the bottom, the footer of the blog. Let me just run you through. Get me back to size. Here you go. This is your header section. Under that is your menu. Category menu, main menu. this is the body of your blog, the entire thing, the background color, or this one. You have to just tweak the colors and you'll figure it out, because this doesn't need to be the same for every blog. It changes and varies a little bit. And this is your footer section. This is your sidebar 1, sidebar 2, which is empty, and this is your right column. And there you go, bar 1 of the sidebar of the footer, bar 2, and etc. bar 1, bar 2. That's done by me, actually, the bar 2. Here you go, your footer, the way the links are, etc. So all these things basically are customizable, and you can change all of them to values that you need. You need to play around, make a change, preview it, and see what corresponds and how it works. That's the only way you learn to be dependent on yourself.